Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, June 25th. A much more humid morning this morning compared to yesterday morning here in the Mid-Atlantic region. Dew points climbed overnight tonight. It will remain quite muggy throughout the day today. Showers and thunderstorms associated with a slow-moving cold front could reach the I-95 corridor by the end of the day, more likely tonight, and some of the rainfall can be heavy at times. Can be some strong thunderstorm activity moved in, probably nothing on the severe side, but again, there can be some local downpours as we go through a frontal passage over the next 12 to 24 hours or so. Let's start off by looking at the current radar loop. There are some showers and embedded thunderstorms out across northeastern Ohio, northwestern Pennsylvania. For the most part, rain-free here in the I-95 corridor. This will start to fill in later on this morning and into the afternoon hours to our south and west, and then roll into the I-95 corridor at the end of the day, and again, more likely in the evening hours, we'll see those showers and thunderstorms reaching D.C., Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York City. Well, here's the current nationwide look at the surface map. There is a frontal system draped across New England, all the way cutting across the Great Lakes region into the northern part of the country, with Canadian high pressure pushing it slowly along. This is the cold front that is moving slowly to the south and east, and will finally reach the east coast during the day on Thursday, causing showers and thunderstorms here in the I-95 corridor at the end of the day today and throughout much of the night tonight. And again, some of that rainfall can be heavy at times. Canadian air will cause some drop in humidity values as we progress through the day on Thursday. It'll remain rather comfortable in terms of temperatures and humidity levels on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday as well. Here's the very latest visible satellite image from the Penn State eWall site. Lots of low clouds here over New York City, but some breaks can be seen across southeastern Pennsylvania, down across D.C. Certainly can be some intervals of sunshine over the next few hours. The real thick clouds are over the northwestern part of Pennsylvania associated with those showers and thunderstorms. That all gradually move to the south and east as the day progresses, but some sunshine is possible over the next several hours, along with lots of clouds in the I-95 corridor. Well, let's take a look at some forecast maps from last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. This is actually for the 500 millibar level, way up in the atmosphere, about 18,000 feet or so for early this evening. And indeed, there is a short wave here, a little bit of a trough cutting across the eastern Great Lakes, and that's contributing to the upward motion here, expected here later on today and tonight, contributing to the showers and thunderstorms that should move into the I-95 corridor at the end of the day and overnight tonight. So there is some upper level support, probably not enough to set off severe thunderstorms, but there can be some strong thunderstorms embedded in this pattern by tonight. Well, let's now walk through some surface forecast maps, again using last night's Zero-Z GFS model run. This is for early this afternoon. The GFS kind of depicting a broad area of low pressure with a frontal system moving towards the I-95 corridor. Most of the rainfall at this time, early afternoon, is on the spotty light side. There can be a shower anytime during the midday hours, but the primary likelihood is that they will hold off until the end of the day, and especially during the evening hours tonight, showers and thunderstorms should roll across the I-95 corridor. Here's the forecast map for early this evening. Still general low pressure here moving into the northeastern quadrant of the country, with a frontal system slowly advancing towards the east coast. More healthy look to the showers and thunderstorms at this time by early this evening into the mid-Atlantic region. Let's now jump ahead another 6 hours. And here's the forecast map for late tonight. Low pressure depicted here by last night's GFS model run over upstate New York, with some heavy precipitation throughout New York State and New England. Still the threat for showers and isolated thunderstorms across the I-95 corridor. High pressure pushing it slowly along. Canadian high pressure towards the east here. It'll end up in southeastern Canada over the next couple of days. Finally, here's the forecast map for tomorrow morning, Thursday morning. Low pressure over New England with that frontal system now right across the coastal region. Noticeable drop in humidity is likely during the day tomorrow in the D.C., Philly, New York City region. Still will stay quite warm with temperatures well up in the 80s. Cannot rule out a lingering shower or thunderstorm, but generally slow improvement during the day on Thursday as this high pressure slowly moves in. And again, the more comfortable air should remain on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but it will be somewhat unsettled on each of those days. You cannot rule out the chance for a shower or a thunderstorm. Primarily rain-free, it looks like, for the weekend, but again, a possibility of a shower or thunderstorm each day. We'll focus in on that over the next few days. But for now, the best chance for heavy rain this whole week will come at the end of today and especially overnight tonight with this slow-moving cold front. That's it for now. For the SIWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul